Hey everyone, have you noticed your computer running out of storage or slowing down after a lot of Windows updates? Well, that's because Windows stores unnecessary update files, logs, and other temporary data even after the updates are complete. These files take up precious space and can cause sometimes performance issues or even errors during future updates. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you a quick and simple way to clean up these files and free up storage on your computer. Let's dive right in. First, we'll head to the settings menu. To do this, you can search for settings or right-click on the start icon at the bottom left of your screen and select settings. Once you're in the settings window, look for the second option called system and click on it. Now, inside the system settings, you'll see several options at the top like display and sound. Scroll down a little and find the sixth option called storage. This is where we'll do the cleanup. Click on storage to proceed. Once you're here, the system will take a moment to scan your storage and show you how much space is used by different files and applications. You'll see categories like installed apps, documents, and the one we are focusing on, temporary files. Click on temporary files to open it up. Here you'll see a detailed list of files taking up space, including Windows Update Cleanup, Windows Upgrade log files, downloads. Be careful with this one. If your important files in your downloads folder, uncheck this option. Other categories like temporary internet files, thumbnails, and delivery optimization files, which are essentially cache and junk data. After reviewing the list, check the items you want to delete and then click remove files. Once you hit remove files, the system will ask for confirmation. Click continue and Windows will start deleting all these unnecessary files. This process can take a few minutes depending on how much data is being cleaned up. By doing this, you'll free up several gigabytes of storage, improving your computer's performance and potentially resolve any lingering Windows update issues. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.